So I got the airbox piece off.
You'll never have the sacred stone. Oh, this you crazy mother.
So that screw right there. There's that one. And that bolt right there. What is that? Those. Alright, so what I did here was removed all the pop pins pretty much, except for like 2 of them on the right side, because you don't need to get over there. It's pretty much right above the left wheel well. So once I got the first hose clamp off, the rest of the intake just came right out. And then obviously you just take the first rubber piece and you clamp it on like so right there, and then the second piece goes up top. Now after I put the second piece on top, I actually put the K&N air filter and put it on top of the velocity stack, and don't forget to put the mass airflow sensor in, which is right there. Now this is what it should look like all installed without the box on it, and with the box on it,